Hello everybody, it's me, Professor here, back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to face this black screen with cursor. So to do that, you need to hit a keyboard combination with Control, Alt, and Delete at the same time. And then this page will pop up. And when this page pops up, you need to go to Task Manager. To click on Task Manager. And then after Task Manager opens, you need to hear this thing, go down, and you'll see this WS App X. I need to right click it and task, and then hit this abandon unsafe data and shutdown, and then click on shutdown, and then you'll have to wait, and your background, your PC will come start. Then you can close Task Manager, and yeah, you can see everything. It's it works. I can also show you by clicking on the app. Yeah, it works. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys really did enjoy this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and comment down below. And comment down if it works. And if it didn't work, then comment, and I'll make another video with it. Bye guys.